So yeah, the first thing is requesting for an interview. Yeah, so you can now request for an interview. So from the user end, you can click on any expect and then request an interview. And once you request an interview, it shows up in your admin dashboard. So you get to see the
Okay.
person that requested the interview and then the experts with which he requested the interview. And also um, an email will be sent to you, to the person who requested the interview with
Okay.
a link to book the meeting with you. So he'll be sent an email. This is how the email will look like. So once he clicks the schedule meeting, he gets to your
This,
HubSpot booking page.
okay. So, this email, is it for hiring manager?
Yeah, it goes to the hiring manager.
Hiring manager. Okay.
Yes, and then they'll schedule a meeting with you. Yeah, so you'll be
Okay.
able to see um, all those hiring manager. So the hiring manager's details will show up under the requested by. So these are the hiring
Mm-hmm.
managers, and then these are the experts that they want an interview with. So from there, you have an interview with them, and then you decide on whether you want to add that expert to their team or you want to remove that expert from their team. So
Right.
on the hiring manager side, once you add the experts to their team, the
Mhm.
the expert will appear in their team with their details, and then the contract to be set to active. And then on your admin side, you can see it and then manage it right from here. So you can remove them at any time, depending on your
Right.
liking. Yeah. And
Mm-hmm.
also for the AI vetting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So for AI vetting, what we did was we replaced the site, which was the video presentation with a rating system that rates them based
Mm-hmm.
on the pay, their location, their experience, and then the skills that they have. And it also gives them an overall rating and then a normal rating system. So we have bad, good, and then excellent based on the expert's profile. So all the experts will be rated based on the system, and you can view the ratings right here.
Okay, got it.
Yes, and we have the payroll. So with the payroll, it's basically the total amounts. You can see the team, the number of members in the team,
Mm-hmm.
and then their salary. So we pull the total salary for the team members right here, and then
Right.
you can make a payment, and then it takes you to Stripe for you to check out. Yeah, so
Okay.
it will be a monthly recurring bill, so it will automatically bill monthly, and then we'll show
Okay.
the history of the payment right here, so the hiring manager can see the history of when he paid
Okay.
and then whether the payment was successful or not. Yeah,
Okay,
and
got it.
yeah, with hire new talent, it basically displays all the experts that inside the database. So be able to see all the experts and then they can request an interview and then
Right.
schedule
So,
a
so
meeting.
when they click on the request interview, what happens
So
if the hiring manager clicks on request interview?
when he clicks on the request interview button, the first thing that happens is we check to see if he has already requested an interview with that expert. So if he hasn't requested an interview with that expert, we send an email containing your meeting link to their email address, the email address that they use to register for their account. And then we add
Okay.
we add the details to the database. So we add the experts details as well as the hiring manager's details. And then we show all those information on your admin dashboard. So once they click request an interview, it will show up here and it will be pending interview.
Right.
And then
Right. So can you? Yeah. Sorry. Can you please click on that request interview in the yeah? If you
so here's
just
an
click on the.
here's an example. It's requesting right now. It will be a bit slow because it's on my dev server. So
Okay. No
sorry
worries.
for that.
No worries. So
Yeah.
it will change to request sent, right?
Yeah, we haven't implemented the states of the request on the buttons yet, but basically I've sent a request for Antonio Rogers. Let me go to your
Right.
dashboard and refresh. Okay, so you can see my name and then my email. This is my account details. And you see I requested
Right.
for an interview with Antonio Rogers. And then the interview is
Mm.
pending. So
Right.
when I go to my team, you see it's only Alan Smith, which is right here. Alan Smith has been added to the
Mm-hmm.
team. So I can remove
Right.
I
Yeah.
can remove Alan Smith from the team. And then once I have requested an interview with you, after the interview, you can add me,
Mm-hmm.
you can add the expert to my team if the interview went well and you want to add the expert to my team. So you just click on add the
Right.
experts and
Right.
refresh. Okay, so it has been added to the team. So when I come to my team and I refresh, yeah, it shows that um, the expert has been added to the team. Yeah, so yeah, that's and the last thing will be with the signing of the form. So what we did was
Right.
there wasn't any way for us to be able to track and see if the user has signed the form that you provided for us. So what we want to do is we want to display a modal. Some it will come up very soon. So we want to
Okay.
display a modal, and then you won't be able to close the modal, and then uh, we will let you like accept like that you signed the contract in a way by checking this box. You signed the contract, and then you click on the sign document for us to know that you've actually agreed to whatever contract that you have installed.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Right.
but I don't know if you think that would be a good way to go by it.
Okay. Um. Okay. So is it possible to like let me think about it. I'm not sure like how we need to do that. Mm. So can we embed a DocuSign form in in this dashboard anywhere like embedding a DocuSign form
Uh, yeah, I'm sure. Yeah,
in a website?
we can embed, yeah, the the, the form.
So yeah, so if we can embed that form
Mm,
into a tab, something like terms and conditions or agreement on the left side of the dashboard,
yes,
right?
yes.
So in the left side of the dashboard, just below the reports, we can just add one more icon saying, okay, agreement or something like that.
Mm,
Agreement, I think agreement. So when they click on that, there should be a DocuSign document.
yes.
And yeah, so once the signed, we can keep the signed form itself over there, uh, like that. So, and this pop-up will be useful. So this pop-up will be okay, agreeing that you signed that agreement. The pop-up, we can change the content of the model, that you have, right,
Yeah.
to something like okay, I've signed the contract form which is in the dashboard, something like that. We can put something like that, uh, and when they click on that signed document, it should go to uh, that particular tab,
Okay.
embedded form.
Yes.
So yeah,
Um, can you give me the verification code so that I can
sure, sure,
get the form?
sure. 992123.
992123.
Yes.
Okay. So which one is the form? Or is the contract?
Um, so now, we can take it some example, right? We can take something like um, the last one. Yeah, but we can change it later, right? So
Yes.
this is just for example to test it.
Yes. Okay. Yeah, sure. So that means they will have an option here that will take them to the embedded DocuSign, and then
Right,
when they are new to the website, it will show a pop-up and to take them to the DocuSign embed, and then they have to
right.
sign. They have to sign it, and then from there they can view the website without any
Yeah,
interference.
got it, got it. Yes, yes. That is the only thing.
Okay.
And I'll change this document. I mean, I'll provide you a correct document. Meanwhile, you can use this as an example.
Okay.
Um, so for now, I can upload the candidates, right? We can make it live, right? Other
Yes.
than this, the website.
Yes, we can make it live. So yeah, I'll go ahead and push everything and make it live. Then you can try it out, and if there's any problems, we'll fix it. And I'll also add the DocuSign, and then
Right, right. Yeah, and also one more thing is like in WhatsApp, I've sent a Google Tag Manager snippet. It's a code which helps me track the user interactions on the website.
okay,
So please, it's a simple thing. Just install it in the header and the body
okay,
of the page of all the pages.
yeah, sure,
I've sent it in the WhatsApp.
yeah, I've seen it right now. Okay,
Yep.
Google Tag Manager. Okay,
Right. Yeah.
yeah, so I'll add that as well. Yeah, so I'll push it right away, and then I'll make it available for you to try out, and then you can,
Sure. So yeah.
yeah,
Um, okay. So I will have all the login details and all those things, right?
yeah. So what we'll do is you just have to log in with your the accounts that you want to use for the admin, and then we'll set it as admin from the from the database. We'll have to set it as an admin so that you are
Mm-hmm.
the only one that has access to the dashboard. Yeah. So once
Right.
you create an account, then we'll set it for you, and then you can start adding the experts.
Okay. Okay. So um, yeah, will you give it now? Like, can I give my email ID now, or how we can do it?
So we have to make it live first so that we'll clear all the data in the
Oh,
database.
okay.
Yeah, then we'll set
Okay.
it again.
Sure. Sure. No worries.
Yeah. So
So
I'll let
yeah.
you
So
know,
okay.
and then I'll let you know. Then you sign up. Then I'll make you the admin, and then you can start adding them.
Sure. Sounds good. So once you make it live, you'll just send me. You will send me a link, and I need to create an account, admin account,
Yes.
and then I'll be having access to admin account.
Yes.
And also, I can create a dummy hiring manager account, right?
Yes. You
Just a
can.
dummy hiring manager account I can create,
Yeah,
and
you
I
can
can
do that.
test. Yeah, I can just see around and test it for the next few days.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay, awesome. Sure, I think sounds good. Sounds good to me.
Okay. So yeah, you will go ahead and do the DocuSign, and then
All
I'll
right.
add the Google Tag Manager, and then I'll make it live, and then I'll let you know. And then
Okay, sure.
afterwards, yeah, we can update the
Sure.
DocuSign.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Sure. Sounds good. Sounds good. So, can I expect it by Monday? Like when you can um, make it live and give me the access?
So for we can get it live today, basically. But
Okay.
for the email verification, my other partner is the
Mm-hmm.
one who has access to the email verification. So I'll wait on him. And so let's
Okay.
give it by Sunday. But then I'll make it live for you. But you won't be able to
Sure.
receive the emails just yet until like I get
Okay.
the verification from him. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. Sure. Yeah. Please keep me posted on WhatsApp. I'll be available anytime.
Okay.
So thank you so much.
Okay.
Any other thing that you want to cover?
No, I think that's all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sure. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your work.
Okay.
Let's see how it goes.
Okay. Thank you too. Yeah. So I'll
Yeah. Thank
update you.
you.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye.